Welcome back to part 2 of making a number 82 saddlebag backpack. It's freaking cold in this shop. So yesterday I got the gusset all stitched up and it's been burnished and skived. This thing's ready to go. That's a wrap on the number 82 saddlebag backpack. It turned out great. I'm gonna have a pattern for this one that you can buy down in the description, so you can pick it up, download it, and start cutting right away. Just as a recap, I used 6 to 7 ounce leather for the body, 9 to 10 ounces for the straps. I sewed it up with size 207 bonded nylon thread and used my Cobra class 3. All the hardware came from Buckle Guy, and I'll have a link down in the description for that too. I want to give this bag away to one of you, so leave a comment down below. Just let me know what you like about the bag, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button on this video. After 7 days, I'll pick one of the comments and get your info and get this thing sent out to one of you. Oh, by the way, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I just wanted to let you guys know I'm so grateful for the support you guys give us on this channel. Every single comment, like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that kind of stuff moves us forward and allows us to keep doing this. This is all I really want to be doing. I love doing projects on video and engaging with the leathercraft community. It's the coolest thing I've ever been a part of, and I just want to keep it up. I want to keep it going. So thank you for the support, and I think that's it. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.